And the ulama have stated that those people who send Durud upon our beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam do a very great favor to their fathers. Because whenever a person sends Durud upon Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then there are angels who are appointed who take this Durud and present it to our beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they say that so and so, the son of so and so, has sent this gift for you. So as a result of the Durud of the child, the father is also remembered in the court of our beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this will bring immense happiness to our fathers if they are in their graves.